What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. You guys have been absolutely killing it with the support, so I just want to start this video off by saying thank you very much. I appreciate every single one of you guys showing crazy amount of supports, which I definitely appreciate. So the last video we removed the side steps. I don't know why, it looks so much better. It literally transformed the truck. Also, quick side note, I ran over one puddle, a little baby puddle, maybe like yay high, and the voodoo blue is crying. I need to wash this truck like ASAP. And then the video before that, we went and bought a modification. Bada boom, bada bing. Now, I appreciate everyone showing me support on that video. In this bag holds what we're doing in today's video. Oh, there's my apple juice. But first, a word from our sponsor. I'm kidding, did you really think we had a sponsor? I wish. But first, I have to help my dad move a couch. So I'm gonna move this couch now. We're actually gonna use a truck bed for once. Oh, this is gonna be the first time I actually need to use these. So let's see how this works. All right, so we got everything inside the truck. I'm not gonna lie, the bed cover is kind of in the way. I think this should do is just like all the way up there. Also, that's my sister who was in one of my most popular videos. So yeah, we gotta take this over there. Hopefully nothing falls. I should bungee cord it, but it's like a quick drive, so I think I'll be okay. So this is what I was talking about. I wanted to have something in the bed of my truck that if I needed to move out of the bed, I could move. The bins are back there. I'm good to go. I can use my bed, and then once I'm finished, it goes back into the bed, and I don't have to worry about storage problems. We're here. We're gonna get all of this out. I can't remember, but I think if I just snap, bada boom, bada bing, we are all good to go. Now we gotta get this off. We gotta get this off. One fold, two fold. This is literally the best thing I've ever gotten. Don't scratch the paint. And just like that, we're back and we're rolling. In today's video, we're gonna try to black this out. Now this is gonna be my first ever time using Plasti dip, so I'm extremely nervous. I've already watched like 1.5 million videos. We got the Plasti dip. We're ready to rock and roll. There's multiple ways you can go about doing this. Now, number one is just taking these things completely off, popping them out. There's a couple tabs underneath that you pull off. Well, my plan is I'm going to cover as much area as I can with bags, tape it off as good as I can, and then spray over it. Now, the reason I say that is because, well, you have to pull up on this. You have to take a bunch of clips out. You have to do some stuff right there. Now, you guys are gonna say, Aing, what if you get it on the paint? It's Plasti dip, it'll come off, no problem at all. But the reason I don't want to do that is because, one, if the Plasti dip gets on the paint, I can take it off, right? But if I break one of those clips, then that's a bad day. All right, so if you're watching this video as an informative video, you're gonna need water, you're gonna need some tape, you're gonna need a rag, you're gonna need something to cover everything you don't want to get damaged. For me, I'm using bags, and then you need Plasti dip, obviously. So let's get started. I'm kind of just doing it as I go. So we got our first bag down here. I think this is gonna cover most of this area. I think it should be fine. I recommend cutting a bunch of tape before, and then we're gonna go over with the second bag just to make sure we cover up as much space as we can. All right, so I'm about to go in for my first try. They tell you to make sure this is warm. I even bought the little handle thing to try to be as professional as I can. Let's just start at the bottom. All right, so this is my first go around. I think the first time you do this, you're just supposed to let it sit. You're just supposed to let it get on there. Then we're gonna go back in for round two. We're gonna see how it looks. We're gonna try it on one first, and then we'll compare it. I hope it comes out good. Oh, nice, it's already dry. So literally, while I was talking, I guess even the paint gets bored, it finished already. It is extremely windy, so it's making this a little bit difficult. I think you can see like there's a little bit of gap right there, a little bit of overspray right there. All right, so we're now on our third coat. Sandy left me some oranges. Thank you, babe. This is what stock looks like. This is what a $5 can can do. So I'm kind of excited. I'm thinking I like it. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys though. What do you guys think? Here's my dilemma. It's gonna be like $300 to $400 for me to color match the bumper cap. $300 to $400 goes a long way in modification days. So I'm not sure if I just wanna black them out for the time being, save up a little bit more cheddar, like, comment, and subscribe, and then do it later, because I like how it looks blacked out. I saw a Dodge and it kind of looked like it was just floating. So we're about to go in now for our fourth coat. I think that's where I'm gonna end it, on the fourth coat. I think that should be good. I think I'm gonna do it. I like how it came out, so we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So what would I do next time if I am going to do it next time? I would tape off more. I would use more tape to cover off more, if that makes any sense. I didn't get too much overspray. The little parts that I did, it's nothing to worry about. You just wipe off and it comes right off. So on this side, I did exactly 4 coats. On this side, I did 6 coats. Now, I don't know about you guys, but you can't really tell. It looks a little wonky, but I think it's just something that you got to get used to. So no more chrome back here. We're moving up in life. We got a whole bunch of mud here, and then we just got chrome up here. I definitely think for this part, I'm gonna remove it just because I want to play it safe. Rather be safe than sorry. And this is more screws, not just tabs of plastic that can break very easily. Another thing I would recommend, don't be stingy. I think it came out really good. The blacks are close enough to where I'm not bothered. It's definitely a lot better looking than the chrome. The more I see it, the more it grows on me and the more I like it. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. That was 4 and I only said 3 things. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.